My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Hyundai i30. This vehicle has done just under 58,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and settings, and just below we have AC. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.